I'm Matt Hart. I am the chair of liberal arts and associate professor of creative writing here at the Art Academy of Cincinnati. And education isn't about learning a bunch of rote facts and memorizing things. And education is about figuring out the way to manifest your vision, your imagination, your attitude in the world. I have students that keep me on my toes. I always have to be cognizant of like what it is that they're interested in, what it is they're trying to do. Because really, it's not about trying to make them artists in my image or the image of any of the faculty. It's about trying to help them figure out who they are, what they value, what they believe in, why they think that art matters. That's why I do this, and it's amazing.